chairs. I'm going to sit here and drink all day until I pass out, till he passes out. That dude sure do like to drink his beer. Nice, oh wow.
Well, here it is Saturday, and once again it appears that I am at home on my computer, making beach videos. Again. You would think I'd have something better to do with my Saturday afternoons than to sit at home on my computer making videos.
I didn't know better. I'd say that the waves are calming down a bit. Oh, that one caught me by surprise. Oh, there goes a big one. Another good sized one right there. Little mole hill right there. Nothing burger right there. Another nothing burger right there. Nothing to surf about. That's my rig right there. Those are my chairs. That's where I'm gonna sit most of the day and drink beer until I pass out. This is Saturday, the July the 26th. Our last day here at the beach. Then tomorrow, bright and early, we go back home to the third world murder hole known as Atlanta. Luckily, we are a good 35 miles north of Atlanta, and really the only quadrant of the city that is inhabitable by decent folk, and that would be northwest Atlanta. The rest of it is an absolute, well, I can't say why, okay? They'll get me for racism and bigotry. But Atlanta is one of the worst of them. Maybe worse than Philadelphia. Right up there with Chicago. Put it that way.
Wampum. This is good TP living. Hey.
Yes, I'd like 2 4-piece chicken dinners to go. Roger that, sir. 1 crispy chicken sandwich. Dine in. No. 2 4-piece chicken dinners to go. Roger that, sir. 1 spicy chicken sandwich. Dine in. No.
Damn, homeboy over there got on a shirt and a vest. It's too much clothes, buddy. I can understand a little small strap t-shirt or something, but damn. I don't think that feller gets down to the beach too often.
Go ahead with your order, sir. Yes, I'd like a 3-piece chicken dinner with an order of mashed potatoes on the side. Roger that, sir. Crispy chicken sandwich. Hold the lettuce with a strawberry milkshake. Drive around, sir. No, I did not order that. I ordered a 3-piece chicken dinner, the side order of mashed potatoes. Roger that, sir. 12-inch pepperoni pizza with a gallon of sweet tea. No, I did not order a pizza. You know what? Just give me the pizza. I'll take the pizza. I gotta get out of here. My wife is waiting for me back at the condominium. I said I was going out for some food. Just give me some food and charge me whatever you want to charge me. I gotta go.
Well, rednecks to the left of me and rednecks to the right. The smell of suntan lotion in the air, but something don't smell just right. I hope by the time I leave here tomorrow, I don't end up in a fight. Mexico Beach, North Florida, towards the tail end of July. Where are they at? Getting tired of sitting out here by myself today. Them ladies will primp and prepare for half the day. All for nothing. Just so they can take a few pretty little pictures. There they come. All three of them. Looks like Clarice is leading the pack, and then Nora's falling behind there, behind Jim. Hard to say who's who from this distance, except for Jim. Well, that's Nora out front. That's Clarice bringing up the caboose. Yep. Good luck, Jim. It's a little hot here in the middle of the day for fishing. As for myself, I came down here this morning right at sunrise and caught 7 little croaker. Too small to keep, in my opinion. I wasn't interested in keeping them. But caught about 7 in roughly an hour. That's probably all the fishing I'm going to do for the rest of the day. I'm more interested in having a hamburger right now, something to drink, cool off in the AC for a few minutes, and come back and join the gang here shortly. Now, of course, Mexico Beach is still in a rebuilding phase, and so there are a lot of, well, I don't want to say Mexican. I'm sure some of them are not Mexican. Some of them are probably Guatemalan, El Salvadorian, Honduran, etc. But much of the construction here, obviously, is going to be foreign-born Hispanics. But something's different. You can tell they're laying low. They're not walking real proud and talking real loud. Not a lot of confidence. They're keeping their eyes and ears open for the unexpected, or should I say, the expected. I haven't seen any kind of federal law enforcement here since we've been here. And quite frankly, I hope they're not. We need those workers just as much as they need our money. They do good work. And they do work that a lot of Americans, quite frankly, you've heard it before, don't want to do anymore. All right, time to cool off for a few minutes and have a burger. I grilled hamburgers last night. Hamburgers and a nice New York strip. Whew. All right.
And now some semi-uninterrupted beach footage, including video and audio. Yeah.
Seeing a lot of grass. Grassy.
It's not diamond. A little bit clear, but it's still not emerald green. You know how it used to be like emerald.
This redneck woman near us with her floating boombox has me concerned about a possible copyright strike.
Oh. It's very calm now. It's not real rough. Man, if this lady gets me a copyright strike.
is a fat motherfucker. He stood about 6'4". But he wasn't so big when I laid his fat ass on the floor. And then we both shook hands and then we bellied right to the bar. And then I hit his fat ass between the eyes and